Hey everyone, Brendan here from Athena. Wanted to quickly show a workflow that some of the team put together this weekend at a hackathon. So, classic example is we have a website that you have some information that you want to pull out of it. For us, it's a attendees list for an upcoming OpenAI New York City event. Looks like some pretty awesome characters. Would love to grab this list. Let's jump into Athena and show a quick demonstration of how we would grab this. So one of our newest modules is browse. We can start by using some of the quick actions like navigate. This will spin up a instance of a browser in a remote instance. We'll actually be able to see that live though, and we'll show why that's important here in a minute. Great, so we've navigated to the website. We'll kick out some statistics and grab the attendees list. Let's see if it's able to do it. And we'll actually see here in a quick second that it was not able to grab the full list because we're not signed in. So the reason for that, if we click into it, and we can actually do a takeover here, is we need to register. So fun way to support this workflow is actually to directly sign in. So in that remote desktop, I'm able to take over, perform a login flow, and then I'll add this here shortly. 857. Great, now that we're logged in, we can actually open up this list and tell the system to grab a screenshot of the page. Perfect. That'll actually save to our drive, so kind of fun here. We can actually open this briefly to take a look. And we can see the screenshot. Doesn't have everything we need. Let's go back and try another attempt. In this example, we can actually save the HTML to drive. And then lastly, we can ask it to save the contents, or actually generate a table of the attendees in Markdown. Grab the text now that it's available. And we can see the HTML content equivalent. If we get a raw data, we should be able to take a look at that. So I could parse it from this one by, again, saving it to our drive, like we've done here, that screenshot. Or in this example, we're directly pulling it from the page. Once that's finished, I can actually pivot to sheets, add a new sheet in here, scroll down, and we should be able to paste in our new attendees list, do an enrichment workflow, and then add it as individuals we're interested in reaching out to. We can even simplify the way we add it. There we go, perfect. Maybe we want to do a summary email to each one of them on the list. We can go through that here shortly. And then lastly, I'll just quickly show if we wanted to break the glass workflow, we could add these documents which have the raw data that we pulled, that screenshot from before, or in the other example, the HTML content. We can jump over to a notebook and we'll show how to add both of these documents to a notebook and continue the conversation. So I'll add a fresh notebook, add in that material, and now we have a LangChain document loaded, ready to analyze. Awesome. Thanks everyone.